Randomness issues. Depending on how a developer generates random numbers or strings, the values created can be more and less random. The most and biggest mistake is to manually seed the random generator using a constant or the current time. This will allow an attacker to be able to predict that values have been and are going to be generated. In this section, we will see some examples that will convince you that random is not always random. Example number 1. This first example is just here to show how random is not really random. The problem comes from the use of a seeded random generator. The developer used the value 0 to seed the random generator. If you just replay the script, you should be able to find the password generated for the administrator admin. So we are going to randomness issues, example number 1, and here it says, in this exercise, you can log in with the following user, hacker, with this password. Your user is the second one that has been created for this application, and you retrieve the following source code. So we have received this following source code. The first user is named admin. Try to log in as him. So we are going to, here, we are gonna use this. You see, it's this one. And 0 because it says here that the developer used the value 0 to seed the random. So we're going to run this script and we have this password. So this might be the administrator password. So we are gonna try admin. And we have successfully logged in as the admin. Example number 2. This exercise shows another example of bad setting of a random generator. The random generator is set with the current time. To work your way to the admin password, you need to brute force the seed. To do so, you can start from the current time and decrease it while replaying the algorithm used to generate the values until you get your password. Once you get your password, you know what seed was used, or more precisely at what time the random generator was initialized. You can then get the admin password. So here we are going to example number 2, and we are going to write a little script here. Here we're gonna use our password. And we are gonna run this, and we will have to wait a little bit. Depending on the time it's gonna take more or less time. I'm gonna pause this until the password appears. Now we got the password, so we are gonna copy this. We are going to go here and admin. And as you can see, we have logged in as an admin. So we broke with brute force the seed of the random algorithm. Example number 3. This example is really simple and similar to the first one. You just need to replay the code to get the admin password. The fact that the password's length is random has no impact on the fact that you can guess it. So we are going to here, sample number 3. This is hacker, this is the password. I'm gonna need it, I guess. We are going to use this script to try to get the password of the admin. So it says here that we were the second one, the second user that has been created, and we got the following source code. So we're gonna run this, and here this is our password, as you can see. So it means that this one, the first one, is the admin password. So we're gonna copy this here, and we're gonna paste that here. Admin. No, I copied the other one. Sorry, here. BBADDHJTVS. Here. Admin. Now from here. Yes. So we have successfully logged in as an admin. Again, the seed was 0. Example number 4. In this example, you don't know how many times the random generator was used before your password was generated, since it's called to run 1000 as opposed to s.run 1000. You can still get the previous password generated. To get it, you just need to brute force this value until you get your password. So we are going to here example number 4, and as you can see, I already tried it. So we're gonna copy this. We are going to use this script. Here we put our passwords, it's the same, and we're gonna run this. So here we got the password of the admin. So I'm gonna write that here because I cannot copy from down there. So this, I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna come here, admin, and the password. And as you can see, we have successfully logged in as the admin for by cracking the password to due to brute force on the random algorithm.